Hi guys, welcome to the channel Civil TS. In this video I will clear those points which I left in the previous videos regarding a 3 size plan and profile, layout sheet setting in the Civil 3D and a 4 size layout sheet setting in the Civil 3D for cross section. So I will clear those points which I left in those videos. First of all, in the A3 size video, let me show my channel. A 3 size sheet in the Civil 3D plan and profile and a 4 size sheet template for Xsection in the Civil 3D. I will cover those points which I left in these videos. First of all, I created the A3 size sheet layout. So these two files I created in that videos, okay, but I kept here the backup file of this file, okay. So let me open it. If you watch that video, in this point we left one point for the edit attribute block because we created already this template. Now how we can change it? For example, this attribute is unlocked inside in the block, okay, but other attributes are locked. So how I can edit it? First of all, I have to go drafting annotation. Click here, click on the block editor. I want to edit this block A3S. PR enter. So if you guys watch this property in the mesh, here the presets is yes, other is no, okay. But for the other attribute, the lock position is yes, but other is no. So let me select all the attribute here. This attribute is not included because the property is already correct. Okay. Now we have selected all the attribute here. From here, I will change this yes to no. Okay. And this preset, yes. Okay. We change already the properties here. Close block editor. You want to save? Yes. Okay. We change already this attribute inside in the block, but if you guys watch, it is not changed. Even we changed in the block. Okay. So here I have to enter a command AddSync. A-double-T. This one. Click here. Here I have to select the block and select here. Click yes. Now our block is refreshed. Click here. So these properties of the attribute is changed. Now it is ready. Save as. This file. Save. You want to replace? Yes. Okay. So this file is already corrected now. Okay. So we can use it in the Civil 3D for the plan and profile. Okay. The next point which I left in the plan and profile, I am going to make a copy from this. Move to copy, create copy. Okay. Okay, now this one. I have to rename this one 1 for example, so we will know better this. So now for example, I am going to delete this one. Plan profile cross section. Okay. For example, in this layout, I don't have the viewport. So what I did in the previous videos, I clicked here and just copy and paste it here like this. Okay. Now if we don't have these, what we have to do? We have a different scenario. Plan, profile, plan or profile. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 scenarios. So let me clear this 4. Okay. For example, I have to create a viewport for the plan and plan. PR. So I am going to layout rectangle. For example, I am creating the viewport for the plan or plan. Okay. It will be like this. Okay. So for example, this two layouts is for the plan. Okay. And this two layout is for the profile. This one is for the cross section. Okay. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 scenarios. Okay. First of all, if I am going to set this plan over plan, okay, what I will do, click here. Okay. The scale I have to set 1:1 or whatever for the both. The scale is set already. Now here in the viewport type, so it is undefined. So I have to define it. What is this? This is for the plan or plan. So I have to change here plan. There is another thing I have to change. Click here, viewport order. So I have to change now this one to 1. Enter. Okay. And this one 2. Enter. So this one 1 and this one 2. These both viewports are plan, but the order is various. It's mean 2. So then we can move or copy here and we can use it. We have to adjust it like this and we can use it. Okay. The second scenario is profile or profile. Now for this scenario I have to select both. I will change the scale 1:1 or whatever. Okay. Here the viewport type to profile. Select 1, change to 1. So it is showing to me the order is duplicate because in this viewport already we have this port. Okay. So let me delete this one. Now 1, 2, 1, 2, and we can use it like this. Okay. Let me delete this one. The third scenario is plan or profile. Now in this one I am changing the scale again 1:1. Here I will change individually. I want this viewport to be my plan and I want this viewport profile. The order I will not change. I will keep it the same. Okay. And the last one is cross section. Change like this. So like this we can change the type of the viewport and order of the viewport and also edit attribute. So hopefully guys this video will be helpful for you. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.